Ready to discover the secret behind Python's most magical spell? The print statement is about to reveal all its mysteries. Today we're diving deep into Python's most powerful tool, the print statement. We'll dissect every single part like detectives, discover why Python is incredibly picky about details, learn to dodge the sneakiest beginner traps, and completely transform how we think from scratch blocks to Python precision. This is going to be epic. Look at this incredible transformation. In Scratch, we simply drag a say block and type our message. But Python gives us something much more powerful, the print function that real programmers use to build apps, games, and websites. It's the same idea, but now we're using professional tools. Here's the secret that separates beginners from pros. Every single print statement is built from exactly 4 essential parts. Miss even one, and Python gets completely confused. Let's dissect this like master detectives. First, the word print. Always lowercase, this is Python's magic command. Next, the opening parenthesis, like opening a door for our message. Then our message wrapped in quotes, telling Python this is text to display. Finally, the closing parenthesis, sealing everything perfectly. 4 parts, 0 room for mistakes. Here's something that shocks every new programmer. Python cares about absolutely everything. 1 capital letter where it should be lowercase, 1 missing quote, 1 forgotten parenthesis, and your program crashes completely. Python is like a perfectionist teacher who notices every tiny detail. Watch this disaster in action. We wrote print with a capital P instead of lowercase print. Python has no idea what print means, so it throws a confusing error message. The fix? Always use lowercase print. Python's grammar rules are non-negotiable. Here's another sneaky trap. We forgot the closing quote after hello. Python starts reading our text but never finds where it ends, so it panics with a syntax error. Remember, quotes work in pairs. Opening quote needs a closing quote. And here's the third common mistake. We forgot the parentheses completely. Python expects print to be followed by parentheses containing our message. Without them, Python doesn't understand what we want to print. Pause and think. Why do you think Python demands such perfect precision? Exactly. Computers can't guess what we mean like humans can. They need crystal clear, perfect instructions. Here's a perfect way to think about Python. Imagine you have a super literal friend who follows every instruction exactly as you write it. If you say print instead of print, they get confused because they only know the lowercase version. Here's your secret weapon, the print statement checklist. Before running any code, quickly check lowercase print, opening parenthesis, opening quote, your message, closing quote, closing parenthesis. Master this pattern and you'll avoid 90% of beginner mistakes. Look at these beautiful, perfect print statements. Every character in exactly the right place. This is what Python perfection looks like: clean, precise, and absolutely reliable. Incredible work. You've just unlocked one of programming's most essential skills. What an amazing journey through print statement mastery. We discovered that print has 4 non-negotiable parts, learned that Python notices every single character, identified the 3 most common beginner traps, and armed ourselves with the ultimate print checklist. Next up, we're creating multi-line stories that will blow your mind. You're transforming into a Python precision master.